my lecture is on what is letter. What is it? Letter for the language is concerned. So letter, actually, letter definition is very important here. That it is a basic sign and symbol of any language so it is used for writing any language because without letters we cannot form the words and if you have words we have a sentence and if we have sentence we have passages so in this way we can write anything. So in English alphabet just like I also told you that there are 26 letters and 26 letters which are they are A, E, C and this is X, Y, Z. So these are totally 26 letters. In 26 letters there are two types of letters. So first one is we have a vowel and then we have a consonants, vowels and consonants. So which are vowel? So these are the A, E, I, O, U. These are totally 5 vowel letters and rest are B, C, D and X, Y and Z. So total is 21 letters. But there is one letter which is a semi-vowel, means half vowel, half consonant. As we can say, it's a semi-vowel. It's a Y. Because without a vowel letter, we cannot form any words. So this is key points. And you will see here, these are some words. But you will see in every word there is a vowel letter. Here, I, is, A, I, S, and so on. So you will see that there are a lot of vowels. So one thing is clear that without a vowel letter we cannot form any words. So because these letters help us to form any words in English or any language, because without letters we cannot write it. So this is my lecture on letter and it's a kinds types which are used. And you also see that how can we use the letters for forming the words. You'll see here I have a C plus A plus R. You will see car. This is a car. And we have B plus O, B plus O plus Y. This is we say it's a boy. And you will see also G I R. This is a girl. Okay? This is a girl. You will see here these letters help us to form the word. This is ability. This is a quality and importance of the letters any language, because With the help of this, you will see here we are forming the words. And other thing I tell you that every language has its own alphabet. Clear? And second thing is that every alphabet has its own letters, mean different letters, different means number. But one thing you must keep in mind that is that we can write all languages of the world as with the terms with the help of IPA. IPA. What's the full form of IPA? It's a international phonetic alphabet. International phonetic alphabet. So there are totally 44 sounds. 44 sounds, and in 44 sounds you will see similarly here. So you will see there's two types. First one is we have vowel sounds. Its number is 20, and we have a consonant sounds. Its number is 24. Totally we have a 44 sounds. With the help of these sounds we can write any language. So suppose I have a word, this is in English car, and if we will write it in a sound, we can say like this car. This is a car because this is a transcription of this word. And if you in Oxford dictionary or something else dictionary, you will see their transcription. Transcription means it's a sound of any word. So today it's all about my lecture and letter, and we discussed the letter types of letters. We also discussed how can make the words by using the letters, and also we discuss about the importance and little bit. This is this. Next class, inshallah, I will try to explain detail these topics. This is nutshell, and so it means these will help us. So it's my all about lecture, and you students, you are watching my channel ICC Ngoja. If you have a question regarding any topic, regarding any means your subject, especially English, I'm here to answer your questions. So till that time, next class, bye bye.